In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious, fudgy, moist, fluffy chocolate cake. Let's get right into it. Welcome to my channel. So these are all the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. I have flour here, sugar here, eggs, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, baking powder, baking soda, milk, vanilla extract, and salt. So let's get right into it. Very easy, very simple. Mixing all the dry ingredients in this bowl, in a big bowl. Sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So just mix that up together till it's fully combined. Very simple stuff. You're going to love this recipe. I've tried it several times and it's just so perfect. Like his name says, Hershey's perfectly chocolate cake. It's always so perfect. It has never gone wrong. So I can vouch for this. I beat my chest for this. Okay, so make a well at the center and then we'll just simply put all the wet ingredients in there. Now all the wet ingredients are going inside: egg, vegetable oil, milk, and the vanilla extract. So just combine that. You can use a mixer if you like. Well, it's so simple that you don't need to bother yourself. So just mix that up. Be careful, don't scatter it. Just continue mixing that well until you get all the dry ingredients into the mixture. So just slowly go around and mix everything into each other till it's fully incorporated. So now that it's fully combined, fully incorporated, I'm going to go in with the final ingredients, which was not listed at the beginning, which is boiling water. So just 1 cup of boiling water. I'm going to pour into that right about now. So I'm going in with 1 cup of boiling water. The reason the water is white, like it's milky, is because I use the same cup of the milk to measure the water. So I'm just pouring it straight into the mixture, into the batter. And now just mix that up. So mix that really well, slowly. Combine everything together. It smells so good already. I can smell like the chocolate. It's been a while I made chocolate cake, so I'm excited. My husband doesn't like it, so oh well, his loss. All right, so this is it, all done. Now I'm going to pour it into the foil plate and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25-30 minutes. Okay, so if you don't want to use these foil trays, just get normal baking trays, but make sure you grease it with butter and then put some flour over it. Or if you don't want to use butter and flour, then you can use baking paper, or brown paper or white paper, just paper to separate the cake from the baking tin so that it doesn't stick or burn. All right, so going straight in with the mixture. This doesn't need any form of lining or anything at all. This is so good. You can tell how moist it's going to be just by the texture of this. If you have chocolate chip, you can just drop it in there. Remember, it should not be too full when you're pouring it. It should just be about half so that it doesn't rise and pour over. All right, so that's it. Now I'm going to transfer it into the oven and bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 25-30 minutes. Our chocolate cake is ready. Look at it. It is super moist, you guys, and I have to be quick with my recording so that it doesn't dry up, because I have to cover it up as soon as it comes out. So I lock in all the moisture as it's cooling down. So there it is. Look at that beauty. So that's it. So it's fully ready. I'm just going to cover it up and freeze it. It's better to eat it cold, you guys. That's when you really feel the moistness and the texture and the beauty. Okay, so if you watched up to this point and you see how simple this recipe is and you're going to try it out, or at least you enjoyed watching the video, please subscribe. Click that subscribe button, please. And don't forget to like, share, so someone else can try this recipe as well, and turn on the notification bell so you can know when my next video is up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. I thought I wasn't recording. Okay, so now that it's fully combined, we're going to add the final ingredient, which was not. Yes. Okay, sorry, viewers. So now that it's fully all right. So now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this. Oh, you guys are talking, Josh. Shh. I'm recording. Fluffy, fudgy chocolate cake. Let's get right. Let's get right into it. Daphna. Oh, yeah, take this one. Take. I'll give you cake now. I'll do it later. I'll put the audio later.